Good afternoon, and today we're going to be opening a box of SP Game Use 2018-19. Alright, and the first card is a Nick Seeler Authentic Rookie from Minnesota. Second card is an Alex Broadhurst Authentic Rookie. Third card is a Dylan Larkin Patrice Bergeron SP Game Use All-Star Game Net Cord, numbered to 35. We have a Victor Idrisel Authentic Rookie Jersey Autograph. Casey Middlestat Rookie Sweater, number to 199. Henrik Borgstad Rookie Sweater, number to 199. An All-Star Game Skills Fabrics, Tyler Seguin. And we have another box of SP Game Used. First card is a Nicholas Roy Authentic Rookie. Second card is a Mikhail Borbasov Authentic Rookie. Rasmus Ristolson Winter Classic Materials. Dominic Turgeon Jersey. Piece of History 40 Wing Club, Patrick Waugh, number 1099. Nathan McKinnon, All-Star Skills Fabrics. And Mike Smith, All-Star Skills Fabrics. There's 2 breaks. If you want to get in our last break of SP Game Use, there's still spots online.